We have 2 hours before picking up kids. Let's make some dinner using lots of spring seasonal vegetable. I found washing all the vegetable at a time saves time and keeps the countertop organized. I meal prep every Sunday, so for Monday to Wednesday, I just reheat them. But from Thursday, that's where things need to be a bit more creative. I have broccoli, tofu mayo, corn, and chopped spring onion as a part of my meal prep. I'll try to use them up, plus add seasonal vegetables I just got today. I'll walk you through exactly how I cook 4 dishes in the most efficient way. So today I went to supermarket and I find this snap peas and asparagus. This is in season, and whenever I find the seasonal vegetable, I always try to buy this. Did you guys hear the construction? I'm sorry if it's kind of noisy back there. Then I want to keep it very simple. So today I'm going to make oshitashi, which is we just blanch this vegetable and then soak it into the dashi sauce so that you can embrace the real taste of vegetable. So let's do it. Starting with oshitashi. For asparagus, peel off the hard part of the asparagus with the peeler. I recommend that you opt for seasonal vegetable for this oshitashi. If it's summer, corn, tomato, and edamame would be great. If it's a winter, bok choy and spinach would be perfect. Be careful not to overcook. Even after turning off the heat, the vegetable will continue to cook while the broth cools down, so it's best to stop cooking them when it's still quite firm. Let them rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours, to possibly overnight. It's the best when it's chilled. I cook the rice at this stage but forget to film, sorry. In the meantime, remove the water from the tofu. Some of you told me to put tofu into the microwave, so I'm gonna try it. Cut all the vegetables. I usually cut everything at the beginning to create more space. Cutting board takes up so much space on my tiny countertop. Today, oshitashi needs to be done immediately to ensure the resting time, so I'm chopping them separately. Next, making soup. Soup usually takes time to cook, but I can walk away from it once it starts simmering, so I can get more work done in the time window. By the way, all of the dish I showed in this video have a recipe on my blog. The link is in the description box. Do you remember we still have a tofu in the microwave? I almost forgot. Let's check on it. Can you see the water? It actually comes out. Yay! It's crucial to season with the salt and pepper before coating with the potato starch. If you don't have access to potato starch, cornstarch actually works very well. And you can even use the all-purpose flour too. When you pan fry the tofu, try not to disturb it in the first couple of minutes. It's gonna break apart very easily. Once you see the crunchy crust at the bottom, it's okay to flip. If your pan is too crowded like mine, tofu is going to stick to each other and become one big block of tofu. So use large pan or cook less tofu at a time. By the time the soup should be ready, this is all I did before the kids came back. I'm gonna finish up the rest when they are home. Okay, the prepping is done now, so I'm just gonna wait for my kids to come back, and after they come back, I'll finish up all. Kids are back now. I allow them to play Nintendo games for 10 minutes before dinner when I finish making dinner. For this NIBITASHI, the idea came from the post by one of the members in the membership called Ikigai Cooking Club. We all inspire each other by sharing healthy Japanese cooking journeys. We are opening the enrollment 3 times a year, so feel free to check out more details in the description box. My kids hate mushrooms and are not big fan of tofu, but they love corn and this tofu vegan mayo, so I combined what they like and dislike.
豆腐の味がする。美味しい？好きこれ？すごい。なんていうか知ってる？
そら豆です。エンドウ豆です。枝豆です。
惜しいけどそれも手でいかないでお箸を使ってください。
はい、スナップピーです。
はい、正解です。どうそっちは？それなんだ持ってるやつ。美味しい？それアスパラなんだよ。トウモロコシも入ってるの知ってる？トウモロコシのみを食べていらっしゃるけどね。スープめちゃめちゃ食べてんね。偉い。
Once in a while, I challenge myself to make something they didn't like before. It's always a big hit or a miss. Never stop experimenting is the key.